You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good loving.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome and hello. I'm Shell. So today's video, I have a PR package from Born Pretty, and I did do a previous video where I showcased what that was. I did also swatch that. So in this video, I will show you the colors swatched, and then I'm going to do a nail look with this. So if you guys are interested in seeing what that is, make sure you stay tuned, and I'll have everything linked down below that I used in this video. So right now I'm just showing you the different colors that come with this. It was 6 colors, and these are all 6 colors swatched. I'll leave that link for that video up in the ad card so you guys can go and check that out. So as you can see, they are a neon collection, and like I said, it's 6 colors. You had a purple, a green, a blue, a yellow, a orange, and a pink, I believe is what it was. So right now I'm showing you that I'm going to polish all 5 nail tips with this white, and this also is from Born Pretty, but it was not part of that 6-piece collection. So I'm going to paint all 5 of these nail tips white, and then I'm going to go in and I'm going to do a ombre on each of the nails. Okay, so I finished polishing all of the nails, and I only did 1 coat on these because I'm going to actually cover it up, like I said, with the other colors. So I just wanted to put that down as a base. So now I'm going to go in and cure it. Now it's out the light, and now we're going to go in and we're going to start to applying the ombre. Now I do only show you maybe 1 or 2 nails in this video, and then everything else I did off camera because I was doing the same process. I was just doing different colors on each nail. So the first nail I'm going in with is the purple and the pink. And then the second nail is going to be, I believe, pink and orange. Now I will say this, with the pink and orange, on camera it's going to be very hard to see the difference between the 2 colors, but in person you can definitely see this. Okay, so right here I'm showing you that nail wasn't completely dry when I applied the white. So I had to fix it, and I did that off camera. And now I'm going to go in with the purple. I'm going to use that color on half the nail, and then on the other half I'll be using the pink. Okay, so now I'm about to apply the pink on the other half of the nail, and then I'm going to use my ombre brush to blend those together so you can so I can get rid of that harsh line down the middle. And I use the white as a background to kind of help make the colors pop even more. Like I said, they are neon, but I wanted to make sure it stayed true to color. And I did this about 4 times till I got it to the desired look that I was looking for. And I'll show you, I think, one, like I said earlier, I believe I show you another nail that I did this, but the remaining ones I actually did off camera. Okay, so here I'm showing you what it looks like after I ombreed it. And like I said, this is just 1 coat, and then I'm going to go in and do another one. I don't believe I did all 4 of them on camera, but I am showing you me doing the 2nd coat right here. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the color to the next nail. And that same pink that I used on one half of the other nail, I'm going to now put that on the nail, as well as the other half of that nail. I'm going to use the orange. Okay, so that nail is done, and it doesn't really show as well on camera as it does in person, that you can see the two colors. I know on camera it's kind of hard because they kind of look so similar, the pink and the orange, but in person you can definitely tell the difference, that one side is pink and the other side is orange. So now I'm just going in with that second coat, repeating the same process as I did before, and then I'll do the other two off camera. Okay, so here are all 5 tips done. So I have the purple to pink, the pink to orange, the orange to yellow, the yellow to green, and the green to blue. And these colors are so freaking vibrant. Like, they're even more vibrant in person. And now I'm going to go in, I'm going to add the Born Pretty Super Top Coat on top. And then I'm going to put that in the light. And then I'm going to finish off the nail design. Okay, so now I have all 5 nail tips in the light, and I'm going to go in with this Born Pretty spider gel, and it is a clear spider gel. I did a previous haul that I got. I did a previous haul where I got this as a PR, and like I said, it is clear. So with this, you can mix it with pigments, you can mix it with glitter, and you can also take the chrome and varnish it on it. So I'm going to go in, I'm going to apply this to all 5 tips, just however I choose to do the design. You know, they never come out the same anyway. And then I'm going to put that in the light and let it cure. And I believe I left it in there for 60 seconds. And then when it comes out, I'm going to take my chrome pigment and I'm going to chrome the spider gel. Okay, so here's the chrome that I'll be using, and I actually got that chrome off of Amazon. I was looking for like a black chrome, so this is like not your traditional silver. It's giving more like that gunmetal vibe, so it gives like that blackish grayish look. So I'm just varnishing that in. Now on the last nail, which is the green and blue, I believe it is, I'm going to show you guys that I did not cure that nail well enough. It wasn't in the light well enough, because once I applied the chrome to it, when I went to dust it off, it kind of got stuck onto the actual nail itself. And I wanted to leave that in to show you guys, because everybody makes mistakes. And I wanted to show you, like, if it's not cured properly, that will happen. The other ones came out perfect. Like, once I dusted off, you didn't see any hints of the chrome on the actual nail itself. Now, I will tell you that I did not cap these with gel polish to seal in the chrome. I just dusted it off, and then I showed you what it looks like afterwards. And I didn't do it because at that time I wasn't sure, like, once I applied it, how it would affect the overall nail look. So if you're doing this on your own, because it's just a practice tip, a nail design that I'm going to display, I would just simply take like a liner brush and go over the chrome pigment to kind of seal that in if you use this effect. Okay guys, so here is the finished nail look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So right here I'm pointing that nail out to you. I didn't show me chrome it, but you can see the pigment kind of blended into the actual nail color on the tip. Like I said, that's because I didn't properly cure that. So you have to be mindful of that when you're using chrome, that if you don't cure that gel top coat when you apply the chrome, it will bleed off into your nail look. So I'll have everything that I used in this video linked down below. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. And as always, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.
I was on a Tuesday. He gives me good loving, something that I never thought